Dreaming of Cambodia? Getting your eVisa is super easy. No embassy, just apply online. There are two types of eVisa. Tourist, perfect for holidays and exploring. Business, for meetings and work trips. Valid for 3 months from issue, with a stay of up to 30 days. You'll need just a few things. A passport valid 6+ months. A passport-style photo, travel plan, and hotel details. For business, company invitation. Here's how it works. Fast and simple. Select your visa type. Fill the online form. Upload passport, photo, and other. Review and submit. Pay securely online. Download and print your eVisa once approved. Processing is quick. Standard, 3 to 5 working days. Express, just 2 to 3 days. Tip: apply early and upload clear documents to avoid delays. And that's it. No embassy, no hassle. Just apply online and your Cambodia eVisa arrives straight to your inbox.